Hello everyone. Today we're going to install Idris2 on Windows using Windows subsystem for Linux. The first step is to install a Linux subsystem. For this, you need to go into the Microsoft Store and install whichever distribution you like the best. For this video, we're going to use Ubuntu. Once it's installed, you should be able to find it in your Start menu. Click on it and it will bring up a terminal window. This terminal window is your Linux subsystem. Before we start to install Idris, we need to install a number of other programs. Here they are shown on the screen. Once every program has been installed, we can clone the Idris project into a directory, go into this directory, and run make bootstrap scheme. Note that you need to pass into argument the name of the scheme binary that you've just installed. Once the compiler finished bootstrapping, you can install Idris2 by running make install. This will install Idris in the default directory, which is Idris2. Don't forget to add Idris2 to your path so that you don't have to refer to installation directory every time you want to invoke it. I recommend you use rlwrap in order to call Idris2. This gives you access to arrow key movements and a command history. Don't forget, if you have any problem, do not hesitate to ask on Discord.